sciatica commandante ukuteyemu ye life e wo 93.1 asante mamu no hwade abraka any headquarters wo Kumasi asa na mekan sabre kro na ye life adamfo radio Paris France abrochi mamu makro abobo ano pe SOMPA 101.1 takwa atoyema ntemu na takra de 103.3 SOMPA kro no a wonuma wotachima nyina e fine life 106.1 FM SOMPA tachima and 90.7 SOMPA nkransa adisha wonum wo bono na puye famofa na mom buna henkro sunwane 98.9 lajibe kwa na bro sanum na napoku fa asemche piesie ne dom wo mo to apetesa eno na twam wo 18 mu shantom ho a ekwa kokosi ahafo no ho a 98.9 so na mo duru mani masase paso dom ahenkura SOMPA 101.3 sabra kro na dom FM tete dada no o 100.7 wa bia di atum ama mampreja asefo ene adehia wo mo wo Cote d'Ivoire no nyina wo munya bi sompaonline.com ensemi nyina yuru atabo ate akekere de akwa akoto ena YouTube ne SOMPA FM live ena burochirefo no ovakuru nyina no de nam wo Netherlands mountain so ema wo mote de ekoso ewo fie saa na SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra enu ye ni mongoma no so Facebook fa onkanto so bra oba na be like an wache na unua bi enya bi triple man APPIAH APAM DADAA enwumre mena meji egwa nemo na ase no ya na mode ama for God and country for se wonom be ye nyame so adwuma ene de ebeboa wo man yi na eno ena yete eho a asande nsokota no ato aso na nwumre de eda paso a ye twetwe ne se wo wi anam no eye na no fie de ya de Ghana mrase badwafo kotena ase wonom bobo hu awie ye eba beto monten o mo kire se emra no a ebeboa ama yamamre ne yamane atimi agina brane na afisiesie mu nso ne matimi akoye no saa mre ye a sebio nka eyachiwade a yemmodin kura wo yasetenam LGBTQ+ say ye fa wo fa hyehye ana se bema ne bema efa no ho obi so onde dua no wope ebi so wono no pe denchem ana se onyini wowo enom ne saa ne ma no na eno ena nam so a asemi babeto odwawie no donkuma na hyase kasa ho ema ye kase so kura ye bie so de kirew se ye wura ntimfo jo reverend wa hyase pa wo kasa ho kyese mra no original no wo ho wo mfa no mra na ase we de wo mo ama na ye tese de de nkontomira kaja enya de betimi achi obi anom ne eho ade na wa friends and trofo nhie mo na no ponchicheku we gine mu pa ensemi eso ebiebuye na eno no sa LGBTQ+ asemo a na no fiada abadwafo no tena ho a ewi ana yewura ABENA BADU afo na tiagwa mu a se speaker wono moje asando tum se akase mempeni beba wo ba wo besan wotese akwati amra se badwani owura ABENA BADU akonso kura de to so se mempeni free UK banko ade a sa mrei wo besan no wesan ama enema etimi atotoyi na wo sa mra no ho ne emu enkomo ene sade wono mo si kanu nyina no na na oponchecheku international national reporter ya wono sei eba wo man Ghana hade a je asam na ntodwa no waduru ho de atumi abo ede ewuram na enante ho pa na sansemi kwabaaye no Speaker of Parliament nankasa yewra abansoma na baben wono sei wakasa wo sasemi ho ne no ena se ne donkuma no wo mo kansam no chese se bio emra no original no wo ho anka yesa wo mo de no ba nenso wo makwati ena wo mama we ne emu ayemre Canadian no nanka nsantro ne kura wo ne ho kwan se wo ka ho asem se bi o hye wo matade ana wo mo kola kura na yanka emra no etimi diu pa nanso ekokọ wie no ekire se de wo mo si ye enui ama emu ayemre na Ghana fo ekasa ho pa e wo sa mre ho ekire se de wo mo ni eje wo mo benyanka atodwa kura mama mpani kura obese wa asante de dada ndi wo mpa ya wo mboni se nka mpani be free UK aba no wode ne nsa sha ase na de yentie ne Ghana fo eka ewia na fe yakọ asa akọ akotie de yewura speaker wono nso no woni ho a wo baaye no enkomo a wode atodwa wa frɛ majority leader e wono office na de yentie Ghana fo mra
ge de se nya de papa ene se obi kura antime nwu bi nipa besa nti se oje tuma ye bo mpa ye so ono so beji atum na ebe ye adwuma nti oje tuma ye pa parliament o ma ya ADEPA so ma je atum te koto minim se koto president enim so no so beji atu ama wasan ama wo momode no wansan ne ntim na nya adwuma se de bibia be kam man ka te na ye me nwanwa ba ja social media da woro mo bi kura timi back sa me ye game ye se de ye me nwanwa free se e ma ne me de se
e ma ne nya nwanwa we ye Ghana fo no bia na de sa asam no a wo mo bobo hu asabi o Ghana fo ye te ho a ye twetwene so we anam ne ye be che se o kane aban no asa ne woni de na ne je hu no wososo na de ye ntie donkumafo na fe ye nsan so entinsi mu biu.
In 2024, Ghanaians were told that the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill required only presidential assent. That was all that Ghanaians said they needed. Indeed, NDC were very forceful in joining those calls, but all that was needed was presidential assent. The country was urged to pressure President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo to sign the bill immediately. In 2026, however, the same bill, when we place it before them, in the expectation that the same President Mahama who promised to sign the same bill that they wanted President Akufo-Addo, and we all wanted President Akufo-Addo to sign. However, when that bill was placed, the bill in that form was not presented to President Mahama, but had to be mutilated, had to go through major surgeries, had to be amended, had to be deleted. Original provisions from the bill 22 had to be deleted, redrafted, and 31 insertions made before President Mahama would have it and desire it to sign it. Was that a promise? Was the promise to come and amend, review, mutilate, alterate, dilute the bill before he signs? You all remember. The promise was clear. Vote for me. I will come and sign the bill. On all their platforms, they said, vote MPP out because they won't sign the bill. Vote NDC. NDC will come and sign that bill. They did not say NDC will come and amend that bill. NDC will come and review that bill. NDC will come and delete provisions from that bill and redraft it before we sign. That is a scam, and that is breach of trust. That is deception, and that is hypocrisy.
And no, Yura and Tim Fojo, Reverend. Wano ene jina donkumano ene mua wo friends enchirofo enhyemu ya na oponchiche kuwo ho. Wose se wo kamra kanedie no a wono mutintimi ya. Enuru na Akufo-Addo mempeni dada ni mumpo a na Ghana fo ebo ne to se wonsan se nani nye ho de a ebi kura se wo kan na brochire se is bound to happen na che sa se wo pene so se emra nom ne ho ade a kosi se aba ne sesan na mum aban foforo ebe ye chini ya ban ebo an ho ba e kire Ghana fo se sa LGBTQ+ emra no aban dada no mpese obesan ti ye nto aban sesa na wo momra no wo mobesan no om de ba om besan ne tentem na mo wo man ka se bibi wo mu a e wo se wo mo sesem enti eba ne se dia ene na ensampo be se do no mienu a wo mo yiye firim e de bete be se aduasan ba be hyehye mu no eno no eye se wo ma frem wi se wo ma frem no kura ato nchen a wo mo tresi o ene wa bobo nsam no so pa na ene se sankomo we nyina ekoso a donkuma no frem santrofo na bloggers e blogge na ene nam na e trend ye no yewra aban sma na baben speaker sabre na wo mo e bobo sasam no ho no no wono ankasa ni ho enti yewra be na da hiafo ene tena mu ma no enti wo beduru ya nso ya na asam no eye ne na nsantwerofo nso e posu na donkuma nso nsantwerofo nhyiamudie e di atwaguo e wo pa hodo nyina so no papa na nya adagye ahwem no watietie bi na wo busa ase emra na wo mo ka ho asam kura no anya hwe e wo se du ba bi e be kwa kofa ba bi e fro se consideration state kura ansana ne person na timi aduru so na wo busa o se sa nneema ne nyina no wo mo yoye de enti we no wo frɛ penimpa no e wo ne office sabre no se na ye na musini o ho deda e na ye ni wan yaso wan nso e de se mframa e boba bia ne ntie de speaker kai.
And this passage is for me good. It was not planned to happen at the same time. I think that we have had so much time to consider that right up from 2020 it's been reversed. It lapsed at the end of the game, but had we taken through the same process because we now have a new the ninth parliament, and so we inherit what was left there. But that's the practice parliament convention. So it has to come back again. The initiators through the sponsors who have changed in a way, have changed because some of the sponsors in the last parliament could not make it up to the ninth parliament. Then we have to go through the advice from the agency department and all other stakeholders who were involved. Then we have to get the new parliament, the new members to understand what all these things about and to look at the law. And you know the copious instruments and laws on human rights. All over. You have to go through all from the UN Charter to the African People's Rights and what all. We have to go through all. Then we have also our development partners who had a lot of contribution to make. We had the United Nations coming in with proposals, some memo and everything.
And no, my Ghana speaker. Ya wono na badwafie ho woda no yewra avance mana baben wono ene kasa wo sansemi ho a wo frɛ majority leader na wo busa se die mpa ne komu na consideration state no wo mu de duru ho ansa na de wo mu kan ye sei donkuma na so ahwehwe ne se wo wianam ebe mu ana na de Ghana fo ne de bi nso a wo mu kan ye no yintie no mra
ge de se nya de papa ene se obi kura antime nwu bi nipa besa nti se ogituma ye ye bompa ye so ono so beji atum na ebe ye adwuma nti ogituma ye pa parliament o maya ADEPA so ma di atum ti ekoto minim se ekoto president enim so ono so beji atum ama wasanyama wo momode no wonsan ne ntim na nya adwuma se de bibia be kam man ka tie na ye me nwanwa ba ja social media da woro mo bi kura timi back sa me ye game ye se de me nwanwa free say ma ne me de say yabu ma kwa bebrebe ye to nyino bi ahia ku awo kofa yonko be matu ndiri se nya de papa bo man
kwade o ya che ya hwe ni mu a che sa de o expect ye kura nyenне be de yakopo aso ma passe na me gidi se papa so godi nani mu a obesan na wa otu betwi so ye mra na be di fefefe because me hu sa se mra bi enu ntina mo bi enya ne freedom o ye sa no na ka me se yakopo se so ye papa san aso wi na ogitum wi a enke anchi obi ni afa ne famra kwa so wo maka no wo fa nsu nyansa
adwen papa ene hye papa na motu papa na parliament for no tu nemom ye parliament elense no ye nyi wo ni me kan say ye nyi wo ni because of say previous government ni twem no sa bill no ema parliament elense no tena se bobo ho aye bibia gitum say de koma go for the manasan that the time no opposition for no am penetration ne maso a sisi kra and ya tese na no mko parliament no o massacre nema num
we Ghana adehye bia titru wonuma wasantema mu na ne ba abedu edi sankomo yi na de ekọ ebu aten de ebe ebu sabio eba Ghana nkasa kura ebi mu de ani wa mieru na ehwe ebi ejina de esonofo eka no fa na ebi gina de ekiniye anase dom kese no nso kafa na ebi mu nso kura kwakọ gina mfimfini baabi ayese yenyi obi ani esanse kane no yenhunu de ekokosi nti saa na we nso beyo nanso adama wono mu a ya eba amanyosam na wa be ne kire mu pa wo mo kire amanyofo no ma wo mo wie ekope na wo be paste bi kire yen no penimpa wa homa no so yewura Jalilu Ateku wa bempa wa amanyosam wa political science lecturer at University of Ghana Legon ye meno na fe ye musa se sa nkomo yi a ahya ase a se sei ahweni wa Ghana fo biafa ede hwe na aso a wo mo di tie no aya amanyoso ebeboa ye ni miura wote yanka anwumre sompa hot bite ni o ye mo adwomo akwaba
yo mi jonsra mo wote sen
nyame hu ye mobo ye ne musasa na waboboa no nso te
nyame adom me so me hu ye
ye de hu ase ye wura anwumre de bokọ ensama atwetwe aso pa eye sa LGBTQ+ kane abaya besene koye ebadwafo twetwe ne so we anama na nso ankwankosi aga na sese so wo ma san akwafa ba sade ade na akwakoye no donkuma ase wo ma ye mu operation dilute no kra dom kase no nso kire se afe kura na emu ayedu a ebe mama mpani atime de nensa ahya ase se asemi watibi ana emra no se de wo musi bubu so no afa wasoma mo na amanyosem no mo abien mu pa yende ana agya de ombeka na yedi akiri se na besi di akọ school e wo mra we ho
yo me da se le cha chiefo nyina nya meka ne se LGBTQ issue no ya be politicizing no nia ekoso between the minority and the majority nyano e politics na esiate enyenne eno ana omo etuaso but sometimes it will be via was who said the position here ya tiki you know and then a bear fit me abua or mine not take that decision now then you move forward with that the time it has politics in obekaya during Nana Kufuado, Nana Kufuado, Eco Granting interview be a thank Al Jazeera also, you know, Mubisano about LGBT income. And okay, said there was no sufficient mobilization to legalize it. So a do say the mobilization bar. So the beer na oka econo and no motivate a bit papa is a mobilization but legalize na mana a day to year my yes it was sponsor emra Makukwan say obedient to me sorry say by LGBTQ no yenji into me or mine into the time na nipa to say for money a no omo any astori Muslims ni na say no idea Makukwan na enkoso o mine
no correct
but at that time no pressure no so it was politicized people were oh na Kufuado ADNC every time on my to the Mahama also open the fact even at the time now no vice president the same thing na MPP also there was a problem launching the book ni obekaya my first school the time na papa bi awade Andrew Solomon or no na otawa o launch that book no at that time na man for a year pictures who trying to project there. The then vice president, and then he was dining, and then with some way he get to class away. That was the politics now. So a true campaign to be say MPP by more the position say again we are LGBTQ. The NDC so ever by more they are doing the same thing. Now because of the support now LGBTQ or family prepare put it obviously the two private members there. And over at the time now NDC for opposition, one of the strongest from the majority side or no I think Central MP. Now no so can almost sponsor here. A quarter of parliament party na president na Kufuado a be class and 1 year and the so basically, it was also always used against a certain government. So, another police could then so the is the continuation of the politics but we share the question now will be at the moment, what is the situation? The situation is there. Parliament here and answer the parliament, Parliament means that you have to so being one or no, and almost because even the best game people raise issues, people have reservations there. So if you say we are lawyer, let's say represented Obia, if you have bonus to both another way, and I can say you are also promoting. Me and Nika say we train human rights.
Yeah.
So it means that you can't even speak about some of these issues. And also any constitution, so people raise issues. So in this particular bill, on my party parliament, presidential assembly, they have decided say, then why not deal with the that element now? Any constitution, because I mean, the constitution is people who come in beer, you must have. I say, open to deny will say won't me any lawyer and the defend no. And you say the party LGBTQ and they na obia we lawyer won't me could defend obia a human rights issue. We are not human rights, no. Like you said, won't me could know anything about a year. It doesn't academic freedom, any right so it is within this context, let's say, Omar decided to say, then let's amend never mind. Because maybe already has any confusion, about brass, and Ramo, because Supreme Court, the people to do.
Okay.
So why not deal with it? The committee, committee is not only the majority side. Committee, both majority and minority.
Yes.
The same committee, bipartisan committee, majority minority side and then that is a minority. Certain provisions be an I think it is that principle that those provisions will have to be removed because any mind and definitely obedient the court so in my view they should just allow the law as it has been passed for us to move on because this was passed by parliament through a committee now so I think that it should not be any major issue. I think that the minority are just raising issues here in my view it's not right.
Dr. Jalile, sa enkomo ya hono nso no yewra speaker abamba bembai wa frem penimfo no busa se asam no wo mo kan ya di dru consideration state ansana wo mo se wo mo de kwama mampani enti aba ne se ya wo mo ja bibi wo mu ana.
Well, it's a process. The various processes in passing law and what they go through the whole process. The man effort through the whole process, then there is no problem with it. Unless if there is ground, say the Oma skipping process then there should be a residential or effort process be. The process can go through, then I think that then there will definitely be problems. But rather I've been through the process, all the stages now. Then I do not think that there is any problem with this. Now, if the speaker is raising issues there, APIAH process or more KPIAH, then it means that definitely there is an issue. Then they have to revisit that and find out why that has been done, and then why APIAH or more SCP a particular process. So I think that all the stages will have to be exhausted. Now, Parliament APPIAH, then it will be communicated to the President for his assent.
Okay. Enti miura wodi ese obi a wo kire manwasem a benkum ni nifani nyina wo kire obi a de na edu ba bi na ebi di ye adwuma ho se de me kire wo mu wo mo de na di de akoso yi no eba political science mu a obeka se eye ne papa mu amwa.
Well, I think for this particular bill, people have different views about it. But the end is that bill has gone to Parliament. Parliament consider in the Parliament the bill they show the area and to baby. But once now the process of the bill convince the other members of 82 like at a certain point in time I think that government per se and can move a bill right, it means that in doing that they would have come with some other modifications and after PP. But I think that it still remained as a prime minister's bill. It went through the processes to ensure that another constitution any provision beyond any book. And so in my view, once it has gone through that stage, in my view, I think that it's just right to say, they should just allow it to pass as it is provided. Any constitution, if they have been able to address and looking at the situation, because these were some of the challenges with the previous bill, right? So that is within internally. There are also other maybe external factors and also affected. So I think that in my view, looking at the situation, I think that they just have to, iron out their differences. But I think in my view, it's just the normal policies now almost because I mean honorable team for Joe or not from the first bill now almost demand the age parliament or sponsors so and the current, I mean, throughout the committee stage.
Reverend Tim for your Korean, so now friends and trophy and share more. What I say, and Randy Bureau, Master Sam, or Model Luke. So far, you who are the party, dear, or Master Primoire, you bet me, I say, because if it has, because the only thing I need from listening to the, it has to do with the debate, it has to do with the issue say there are certain asam no wakani nyina nanso baby a wopem na wode akwa nyina yese ade na yejai ayere te se amanyosem nanso ene se yede yi amanyosem nyina no woman ne kane esan se amanyo no kra ye woman no eyo enti wo hwe kane committee na wono mutintim ye ya ekokọ wie no ne ewrantim fodwo na wono ankasa ewo mu bi na sesi anso de yi a wo mutintim ye nso saa committee kro na wonyam firi mu enti ewie na se ba abonten na se wo mo ede bobo adum ne adan na wono mo kira na se wo mo ema timamufo no kra na wo mu ache na wono se kirekire ni a wo kire manyosem na wo be se wonyi twin ye ado anko ade wono ehwe mu se de emra ne te ene se de amanyosem ne te a na che se kanede na wono mu hu se ba bi wo ho ene ye emra no betimi abo ebra eba ne sanso emfa ho ne se de ombesi atintim no emra ne ntimi nyina eno ne nam so ama empanimfo ekwa asetena wono mokoko yewe na mo se yewra speaker waba no wo kire se e wosen kefa ba bia ene a che mui esena bebu nyina de e wose wo mo de kofa bia na e wose efa na se ewie na ne ho so nsa abro ba na ja wo mo de akoto mampani anim eno eye yewra Jalilu Abdul doctor atekua where political science lecturer at University of Ghana and I hono yeko eko boss ankomo ansana no na Ghana fo e de kan kire se na tunumudie ne de anya kura na campus afawo enti ma ye nsososo enti se parliament fo atimi apase a wo ma ya de na che se timamufo no de wono mo nso epe ene no ya doctor aka sa asemi na abusua we nsem ho no wote se donkuma na ewo badwafie no wono mo kasa ho a yewranti mfodwo na nani abere ho den se kanede na wo mutintim ye no sabio ase aye bibie wo ho nanso sade atie bia no de ekọ na ibu aten de ebebu de ogina ho won na atentrodo no wobuo reverend mfodwo honorable wono emrei kanede ne committee no wo ka ho se de nso wo mu wie won na de abeto abonten se emra no poto kase mo se ya dilute ne chese ya frem afa wo ma ye alteration ya ye krani ya tu no copy na copy no nso kura no de ehia no ye firi ho ona bote yanka anwumre ya mo adwo akwaba hello Yerantim for your yanka
hello
reverend
hello
radiation you encounter
so
na wabobo ano e hoboko de ye de ho ase yewra we de tietia LGBTQ+ emra na aka ne mutintim ya enuru mampani anim awi anadonkuma ne bo ho dewura ase ye ntunti asono na wo mba ambe paase enne ya sese wo ma paase anka ekọ mampani anim no wo se alteration abam dilution abam Canadian na tese na de we na wo ma yi afiri mu a wo ne nsantwerofo akasa ho yi
yo we de medal se emra no a you said 2024 no the series yinya kan bo hu so emra na dimu e bia ni we to sin in fact nipa ba ko pe na o se oni mra na nya adwin to de court say enema bi wo mu a enye nti no court no ense ni yin free mu asa parliament they are president nipa ba ko pe na no ni nya adwin Ghana nyina including NDC for the animu President Mahama and Sam George as emra no ye the best bill and you know sign a sign. The MVP before signed here. Monto abanti MVP before. Na monto Mahama oba be sign bill na mamo. Ela Ghana photo aba eliti MVP. Ela monto Mahama. Ela mo de bill no. Eko Mahama say President Mahama. No na mo say President Kufuor saka bill no. Ela o say on sign. It's just 20 ano.
Nti si atro tia no abade a bill no me so say Jubilee House nti no ko sign mai asofo ko no ko kan sa kire no ozi there be bill no obi amfa nkoma president Akufo-Addo enya no kweda nti no bill no da so parliament nti the parliament the time the brano there obe sign no kwen so the omampede Mahama kan no kwen obi amfa nkoma president Mahama nti na ni Jubilee obi amfa nkoma president
Akufo-Addo
nti no na bill no da so parliament is na atwam nti na say Sunday man here. Get the same bill no coy. Get the coya. I say almost there be and this is for create there be man nimu and man yet. Seem to be brewum and the answer some ran and the sun for and deleting of the brave free moon and for Simu and only a common president Mahama was sign. And he is say a day and a woman rather than anymore. Seem to enyefe enimu enti ese wo mo sana so mo de akoma president Mahama na nya bia no wo mo ese bo se ye to abanema wo mo ba be sesa bill na na so mo ba be sign do wo mo kan se wo mo ba be sign do enti no dada no e pass ye na no an so ye den ye de man no wa sign wo mo de enti ye ni kura 188 numbers e ko fa and Sachaye Makuma 31. There's a bill, no, see move pansemo, delete cross, delete provisions Makuma 22, and the new provisions Makuma 31. No big realm. There's a bill, and never baby. Bill, no, not personal poswa, and say, not to Nina. And the bill, none, almost all my passing. I did a parliament can't say problem or one for Passo. Yes, for the same old no bank on. No one see on pass here. Empty. The Ababa Buama LGBT crack and a different from the Nagana force Akufo-Addo sign. Now, and then one was a NEC for now, woman almost a bill, no problem, at the year propaganda, good President Akufo-Addo and Massimo. And Siona almost had him up President Akufo-Addo so all normal. Not was that's why I'm not what the quiet politics said. And you know, fancy or to about the mamia, about the nom, and to Abama. The insurance no one was afraid that be insurance yet. Most if you swansa. We seem be free answer. Most honest answer. More the brain mamma. And then Yachum. And then Ada. And yes, come. Whopa Katafan, a cross 9. Cross 9, no. And I am running Milana Posopa.
Okay.
Because Emra Ghana 66 years ago, 1960, Criminal and Other Offences Act. And they say Emra two horses. We are Beman to me, worry Beman.
Okay.
We are bound to me, worry about. And no, I am an Emra. And then what about?
Oh, what did that?
Yes. And I'm running, said two horses. We are Bema, would tweak of our Bema, Sabi, Neto.
Okay.
I am Rahofo, and you are that. And then I need Bremua, and just a sepulchre. I had a rubo. LGBT promotion, adverts, Womoye, that the most sponsor, Sister Kofoti, and they loan them 1 year a day, and this kind of lubricants, and they condom, one or four. And they form from donor funds.
Reverend. Kane committee na wonu mutintimu mrana mo kire se eno no nanke kane committee na mo kire se emra nanke no na ye papa ya sese wo ma asesem no se na wo ka ho
enye committee ndc fo
mo na se de enso no wo mo hyehyɛ eno nso na eno nso na wo ntimbi
enye committee because committee be ko sia ye no yeah, live telecast. Mamunyina no head TV so mahwe.
Aye.
Yeah, call fiesta committee ko sia ya no mudi wana Ghana wa hwe. Aye. So be ya kan say yanko family se mu say wo ye obi abodawru e promote LGBT a. Yenyi wo sin chen say wo mra no man will need because we a journalist, because we a doctor, because we a lawyer,
because we are international donor. We are international NGO. Until we know ye be open to promote LGBT news chain. We have TV so Sane can. Until no can committee by Uncle Sia in on the almost small goes and things over. Anytime you get me now so parliament, the challenge you say, Sam a man almost a smuggle. I smuggled, almost smuggled at the BBC. If you have my crime, I won't fancy. It was with the same man be same one. I gave 1 year so much, you know. And I rather an old boy move by. Hey, now for Sembra, not 30 am Robessa. I'm fairly one question, Aqua Jam Robber for the Debwa. I found the US in Chester, Mran, we had them kick you, now the quiet and Grana, the US in Germany, and my son Sambano. Until the can say, Sam Rana also my person anymore. Na me anya me wan say speaker of parliament speaker back me by say ne what national waka
ai eno kura ne me busa say
speaker back me national o dia betiga
reverend eno de me busa say consideration state no we no man fa ho na mo de aba
men to the o kan
sa consideration state no de na ye speaker ka ho asemi emre ya mutintinye no ankwa ankofa ho bi ada ne yato ho punu mu ana
Baby, I send them in a speaker kind. Speaker say, or no one, a yearly one. Says Sam and all my passes. Then yes, I will catch the ones of money. Or so the moon, and now the Omoya day. I say for Funo, Boboso, Mancasa, Funamsto, Boboso to or Chen, Miami Bar, the Bill Grand, the Befaso. Okay, Omoko war in these bamboos to the year. That's what he's saying. Penny about say, Fufu no mankasa mungo ni o say mo boso nto it's like a problem here ni wa ko be ka say ya de no mankasa o mo pass no ka so mo consider nto
enti reverend eba say ya
o ma je ka no kra ukro mu ha nipa no ye ni pekio NTC for nya atwomo no you should call them out because when ni pekua wo mo da sofo e da imam for that the media, that the him for that the Ghana for you say President Kufado Pembrano, na MPP Mrano, and the Atomana baby, and the same sign, and the M2 Abanintia and Moba, Samrana, one bar beside their home. Now, Kenya for crowd Ghana Mrano. There was a sign in Ghana, we to the King yourself, and you know, what tomorrow on the sign, not so over, no more you also feel the money at 2 ye 2 free. Last one could you 22 film the 31 the red one. And yes, scam no more scam. Then also will be a lawyer, will be a judge, will be a lawyer, will be a doctor, will be a journalist, will be a with HIV for promotion. That will be so millions or your operations near their psychological counselor. You're a professor, you're a church or woman. So I've only the big your baby. LGBT no the rule. Now, so the engineer thinks that I'm banning it. Now, I'm born in we, and no Ghana for to about the mountains of Momission. And you know, may I don't see any by Yabo check. I'm a pay, you know, cross by cross. It's a child in a chair. Okay, Ghana for. I will be able to clue. And 3 days, one wants to say, no matter backtracking. But woman, yes, you're father that I know. So Ghana for the most manama omudia. Your family better than Uncle President. Mahama, no sign, and no, any business, medical best yes. Mamudia Libya Magana. Not the most camo, Medimanusi. One scamo, Mantian, tell them more 24-hour economy job. One job, 3 shifts, 3 persons. Not by, no about the yet, about the Mantian 500,000. At your music at 220. They are so good to 111 million. What yet we have a profit. But who ground to and farm out? Affiliate was 5,000 pen ADEPA. Over 495,000.
So for
now, I can't cook for Pastor Miss
and son, I don't want to be no Memphis answer me more.
Mr. Now, I can't cook for. So I want to about now, when I bet almost 6,500 per bag. Oh, by while I bet this work of 2,600, and no crab was and you chaka. Now we are what scam or teacher for scam on this. Then we are a year, Naman for so forth. A old trick of winning a scam. Yeah, never be found door now. Over the door, the 2 I mean, 3 months. Come.
Reverend Mo. Na Sofwe, sa hwa mo nyina wo ka ho asemi no. Enti they say emra no ba bia wo ma ka duru no. Je mo san mochi ebe ye ne foforo. Ana se ba bia duru de je eto aso ano no.
The area can say emra no mo aye to ka no. Yeah, no na Ghana for it. Nti ye mu dia dada no a enko fe no nko ma president ama. So tie. So we are almost on the call there. Ghana for we agree. Oko sign you one sign and you Ghana in it. Also the politics. The data. You know, let us see. I'm sure. And
Reverend Nyamisha now say speaker be no.
The son of that call be so yeah,
no problem. No problem. What the afe na ntokwa na asase ye be sha da ba biu na afe ye di nkomo pa. Reverend Tim Fojo wono ena wasore gina pa se emrei ase Canadian no ananka no na ne eden na wo mmawira obetimi ache no yatutu ne mmawira ni nyina ama ne sekura yatutu ne nimpo ya abɔ no nti wone ani ya wo behunu de wo ya sa tunu muntu na afa wo ne fa hyehye na obetimi ache no ebinu betimi abɔ ho dawuro na ebi nso akɔ ama wɔn emre ni wɔn eba ne sa de a na ayese kwasikɔ no wogina nkwantia abusua anwumre ma remfio se ye life e wo SOMPA nkura bata ne nyina so na mom adwuma ko bi se wo hwe wo mo aben wo dwadie mu pa na wo betimi afre aboti akura ma na afiri wuram no waba aba bedidwa e wo abonten a ene kan ho tintin wa prike ha na fe fabra SOMPA fi ha adwuma ko no ba ntentententem na ye bo opunum ene wa ss e bi kura na kura HND ana se wo degree no what that's what it today Musa unemployment graduates association kan na sorry na adwuma ba wo mo hwe ni mo akwesi boso me ne de to so nkono enti ya na wa ma na aboto na wa ye ne ntentem wo mo kutaye mo nwumre na nsempa ne ye be ma wo abusua ye da ye ho tiawa na fe ya to ansem no so
Abusia yetwa kasia no eso kaise eye hot bite SOMPA no sia bremu ekasia ya ne yehye de ase no numpemu ekopense don so ebebo na yehensem no ase na yakopiemo ewo United Kingdom yenyina nim se Ghana mampani excellence yewra John Dramani Mahama wakopiem ewo UK na dwumadi okwa ya de a wodi no edo aso pa na Ghana UK Investment Summit so akoso wakasa ewo dwumadi no ase dwumadi no ase na Ghana mampani ede atoso akire mu se ni de friend no Ghana's International Reserves no bibia ekwaso nkakran pa wohwemu a amanfo amaman sika hodu eno no ebepiem oman Bank of Ghana emeja wonom so edane daniani nkakran ema oman yi se de yesika sam ni edwadie ekwaso no apeja ni mu afri 8.9 billion US dollars akwa kwesi 13.9 billion US dollars ye kire se enuama ekwa animu a wase nyankopon adom sede wo mo atimi apagya wo mo ewa afa ho no ama oman yesidi no enya anantu papa e de agina so sese wo hwe sede dollar no ene pounds no ene de ekeka ho asidi no ayire na ho ene ne ku atipenko no e kire se Ghana no international reserve no bibia ekoyie ewa afa Ghana mampani sei sese no sidi no agina ne naso nti waka kire investors yahodo a wo mo ewa amaman so ese wo betumi aba edo mo sika ba be hye dwadie mu ewo manyimu ama bibia akoso ebio wosesa ukọ bank kura ekokwaje besia na se wankasa ukwa besia de baba be du dwuma ewo babia no a interest rate no eye de wo betua sika no hunsi ho no eno so aba fam kakra a bibia ekoye wabra okasa efa economy stability no eho no ya trebi go huma so say.
When my administration assumed office, Ghana faced significant economic difficulties. Investor confidence had weakened, inflation was high, debt vulnerabilities had constrained fiscal space, and businesses were struggling in an atmosphere of uncertainty. We took decisive action through disciplined economic management, institutional reforms, fiscal consolidation, and enhanced coordination between monetary and fiscal authorities. We have restored stability and renewed confidence in the Ghanaian economy. Inflation has declined significantly from 23.8% in December 2024 to 3.4% as of April 2026. Our international reserves have strengthened considerably, rising from approximately $8.9 billion to nearly $13.9 billion, providing stronger external buffers and exchange rate stability. Interest rates are easing. The Ghanaian cedi has stabilized and appreciated against major international currencies, and Ghana's sovereign credit outlook has improved following recent upgrades by international rating agencies.
Ghana man penny His Excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama Srem say Jata Mr. Bebiu and Wakasa Yenti Ghana and UK Investment Summit 2026 year and no Ekoso Ewa London Abruchimemono and what this Sansemina etumu.
Nyina yɛ de musamia ekoso ɛwɔ South Africa ne nyina ne setimem fo ya wɔnom hɔ no wɔnom atwenkrante etuo ne ade ya wɔnom ensa ɛka ho ɛno mo de egu adehye a wɔnom ɛmfri South Africa man no mu sɛ wɔnkɔ wɔn krom esan sɛ wɔn krom adehye no ɛyɛ ade a wɔnom enya adwuma nyɛ kofri kwamfo ya wɔnom frifra mamai so no wɔnom ababeji wɔnom adwuma aboso Ghana adehye ɛyɛ ade a ebi edi mu entintiman na sɛnea na asɛm no ani asia yenyan afa ne nte no mampanyin ɛfɔ no ankasa ne soafo yɛ wɔno ɛhwe ani amansan kita hodie so yɛ roku gyeto abrakwa North Tom Rasha bedwani so ama wɔnom ayɛ nhyehyɛ kasa ya no enipa bɛsa hasa de wɔnom akɔfa wɔmo aba ɔman Ghana mu hasenom na afoforo bɛsa hansia prampo wɔ akyira wɔhwɛ so ɔbɛyɛ ntotoyɛ na watimi ɛde wɔmo aba bɛka ɔman Ghana adehye nkyɛn na no ɛna yɛ kasa ya no yɛra Samuel okujeto abrakwa wɔde atodwa sɛ ɛtɔ da bi na sɛ obi kɔ atete mu ɛtesa wɔabla ɔkɔpɛ bibia bedi na wɔhu sika pɛn na ase ahokyera bɛntire kɔfa na ba omam na ɔbɛba wɔbɛyi namba bankyere wɔabla ne nsanka ne nanka adwuma biada ɛni wɔma no a ɛnsa ɛdampan no ɔbonsam ɛbɔ ne pɛnte no sɛ bɛyɛ asa ne bɔnefosɛm no ɛma wɔnom etirim nte no aban no ayɛ n'adwen so ɔbɛhwɛ na wapɛ adwuma ɛde ama wɔnom yɛkasa ya wɔse Ghanafoɔ ya wɔman no ho dɔ ɛbu nkama fa wɔn tiri so ma no wɔnom bɛsɛ wɔ ha aduo no 120 ɛna wɔnom etimi aba yɛkasa no wɔnom so bɛma adehye ne bi adwuma wɔse pina wɔ akyire ntene saa bɛ yɛkasa deɛ wɔbɛsrɛ Ghana ɛyɛ adwumayɛfoɔ afei nso no ɛti brekɛsɛfoɔ wɔn a wɔn wɔ wɔnwuma abiebie nwuma no sɛ adabroma aban no ekura ne nsɛm ekura ne kyekyedeɛ wɔnom NGI asrɛ wapitoɔ na wɔnom entimi mu asɛ bɛyɛ a aban no hyehyɛdeɛ ɛne ne tirim pɔ so ɔbɛhwɛ ama saa nkɔfo wɔ esɛm adwuma no ɔne nsa ebetimi aka na awie mu pedie ɛde ama no nsɛm wɔsɛyi ɛna wɔkyerɛ sɛ sa woyɛ adwumayɛni anaasɛ woyɛ adwumawura CEO na wɔ adwuma bi a adaroma ɛnoa ne sɛ asoɛyɛ no wɔnom delivery unit hɔ no panyin paa ya wɔno ɛda no Ambassador Alexander Grant Ntrakwa ɛnoa ne sɛ wɔfrɛ no mpatwɔ sɛ wonni adwuma ɛmfrɛ no sɛ wabi adwuma na pɛsɛ abo aban no ɛmo ɔma saa nkɔfo wɔasi adwuma wɔsɛ 0561 108 000 0561 108 000 wasi aban no ɛwɔ ahofama so ɔbɛhwɛ ama Ghanafoɔ nyina da yakoma etimi atɔ yɛnyɛm ne yɛyɛ de ho nsɛm sɛ nea ɛda na koma pono so no etimi abamu ye ɛde ama yɛntini Ghanafoɔ nyina wɔsi yɛ mmoa esan sɛ wɔnsom wɔne enipa
nipa no nso wɔn de 21st for ɛna sum yare no ɛmfa ho ne sɛ deɛ tie wɔn wɔ aduru etimi sa aburokyerefo nyinaa nim sɛ wɔn ne siatica commandant no abusua yɛ to akase yɛ no so na sɛ deɛ mampani wɔ London aburokyima mu na investment summit kɔ so a wɔfrɛ sɛ wɔn a ɛwɔ sika da wɔn ho na wɔn pɛ baabi di akɔakɔyɛ mpuntu mfa mmra wɔn yi mu no Ghana Investment Promotion Center asante mantam nso wɔn kasa paa na pania bɛdi akyire kwankyerɛfoɔ ya wɔno ɛna head of GIPC zonal office wɔ owura mark wɔkyerɛ ɛna se sɛdeɛ South Africa for pam Ghana de hye wɔn nko nkrom so wɔn onimdeɛ wɔn na se wɔn nimtirebɔ enimtire nwa wɔn kɔ nwa Ghana for mba ne ti ɛnom ne yɛ ho ade ya ye bububu ebinom shop Ghana hanso ebi asase e kasa ma rise Ghana for kora ka bi sɛ sɛdeɛ ewia bɔ yɛ nkun no saa na nso to a ɛyɛ nkyene nti wɔn nso mpama de hye a wɔn mfiri ha na wabɛgye aha bɔ so a edu ba bi wura boso kan anama megi fianu mani abra wo mo kasa ho na no wura Michael kire se Ghana fo no na yesa yetu ye nhofo se obi fira manone aba wonya ba beduru ye ne di no tanwen wonim ba bia ye fira ohia mankyene na Ghana ni edi nanim wo de mekyerekere ba bia ansana sabio abontensu ni wo betwapoa na ye de mani aka kire no a enti ye wura wo kire ene wo tu Ghana fo.
We have a challenge whereby Ghanaians do fronts for foreign businesses. The business you see are owned, operated and controlled by a foreigner. Yet on paper, you see that the business is owned by a Ghanaian. And this is an offense. So I want to use your channel also to warn Ghanaians who are into that so that they can resist. It's an offense which they could face after they could face prosecution. So I think these two challenges, non-compliance and fronting, is impeding our work, especially in the region of Ashanti.
Ashanti Regional Deputy Director now was I head of the GIPIC Zonal Office. Ura Michael Ochre, wano enene babedu. It is Ankomoy.
Ene ewa bra Ghana adehia wonom edi ejuma ni nyina mayen ewo mrahebedwam ekwa asetena no. Right Honorable Alban Semana Kingsford Babin na chiamehini awono wati edwam ena wokasa yeyi. Ne sem wokan ye nyina se wo mo ade enna mako 4 days akwa dwuma bia eno no abeboa pa ama ebibre ama aman no yeso yetimi edi ye ho nkomo ama bibia akoso wase dwumadi a wo mkwakodie no eye 4th African Interparliamentary Conference said ye wonom akere no na wase ebeboa ama amama ya no ye bibre mu ama aman ya wonom nyina ehyemu bie te se ebibre mu ama aman empanimfo afei parliamentarians wonom a wo mo eka bie wom na afei president bano ebibre mu amaman ya wamo edada no wonom na ekwakwakwohia na wonom adwene womo eman ho wasise wonom kwohia na se womo di sa adwumadie wewia eno no betimi a kire wonom ekwan a yemfaso na yemmo ye ho sese ebibre mu aman na obroni kwakwa ma ache ya afekire gongon wansan so meditate amayen efia ebebai na wase womo register wonom ekobie no be se ahasa eno no aye over 300 delegates and at wonom a register womo connect se adehia ni mpanifo a wonom ekono no ede no and African countries ya wonom kobie no maako aduasa and a wonom atro wondin. Right Honorable Alban Semana Kingsford Babin in ceremony.
And all designated venues are ready to receive delegates and guests from across Africa and other participating countries. As you may be aware, I announced the suspension of the House for the period of the conference to allow the chamber bed for the conference. This year's conference will focus on several important thematic areas, including 1, the protection and strengthening of the African family system. 2, sovereignty and the preservation of African cultural identity. 3, the role of parliaments in safeguarding societal value. 4, youth development and moral leadership. 5, legislative responses to emerging social and ideological issues. And 6, strengthening collaboration among African states on issues affecting family and society. Key plenary sessions will also examine the issues of artificial intelligence and digital technologies on family systems, child protection, and social cohesion, with particular emphasis on the urgent need for ethical frameworks, data privacy protection, and responsible digital governance. Delegates will also discuss how African states can safeguard citizens from harmful digital exploitation while leveraging innovation to accelerate education, healthcare, and economic.
Achiamehini ya wono owo emrahye bedwafie. Right Honorable Alban Semana Kingsford Babin na wobo ne mpanimfo a wani wo di djuma ewo emrahye bedwamu amane se 4th African Interparliamentary Conference ye be koso no adehia mako ahasa 300 delegates and wo matwe omudin afa amaman ye ebibremu amanya wo musukobie eye aduasa 30 na nyankopon ye adom a wonom ebeko no makodi djuma yi adwendwene ebibremu ye ho ema yenso ye ho ne ma kakra obo ade adom ye no etimi aso ya kwankro ensem nyina yensem twireni na opon chechiku yo to nkra efri emrahye bedwam som ye no wono ene de bai.
Yɛnto ansɛm no so ɛmfama mu a yɛbɔ ne de ro ɛde akyerɛ mu ɛwɔ sompa kaseɛ so sɛ ɛfiri kyena kɔ no ɛneɛ sɛ wobɛtena kaa mu a sɛ wokɔ kwantia anaasɛ kwan tenten a na wo sika no wafa bi ɛde aka ho nyɛ dada na ade bɛkɔ nyɛ saa deɛ wanhwɛ yɛ a na wakɔ akɔka akwantimfi ɛnsɛm nyinaa no ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ wɔnom a wɔnom ɛdi ɛhyɛn ho dwa road transport unions no operators ne dodoɔ na no ɛna wɔnom de aba bɛto dwa sɛ sania fam go ɛboɔ ɛkɔ soro ɛna afei so no ɛhyɛn ho akadeɛ binom nso no ebi te sɛ battery boɔ ɛnɛ ɛhuri ɛde akɔ soro ɛne ɛyɛ kaa ho mpempra de ahodoɔ ne nyinaa boɔ no ɛyɛ ade a ɛkɔ soro nti no mo so ba bɛhwɛ na wɔnom ato ahyɛntuadeɛ nim sɛ bɛyɛ a opro edidie no ɔwam so ebenya bibi ɛde abɔ na no so twɛdeɛ ɛnsɛm wɛsɛ aka ho bi me yɛ kasɛn no ɛyɛ ade a mpanyinfo mo da road transport operators na no ɛna afei so ɛyɛ road transport coordinating council no wɔn mo atwerɛ krataa de aba sɛ ɔmanfoɔ nyinaa ɛbɔ saa nsɛm no engu esan sɛ ɛnyɛ ade mpanyinfoɔ no ɛkwan yɛ wɔ sɛ wɔn de fa soɔ ɛma ahyɛntuadeɛ ɛboɔ no etimi pagya no wɔn afa saa nhyehyɛe no so na krataa wɛsɛ yɛwura Godfred Abubre ɛyɛ wɔn no ɛyɛ general secretary ɛde ma Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU no wɔn no ɛna ne nsa ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛnyɛ ɔno nkwada yɛwura Emmanuel Ɔhene Yeboaah wɔn nso ɛyɛ general secretary ɛde ma ɛyɛ Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council no wɔn nso ne nsa hyɛ aseɛ asɛe yɛ wɔn ɛhwɛ atwentwe ho nsɛm so wɔde bi akɔma wɔn afei Ministry of Energy and Green Transition wɔn nsa kɛbi National Petroleum Authority ɛna afei nso no wɔn mo kɛbi ewom ɛwɔ saa nsɛm kan wɔ nyina ho no wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔama wɔn kɔpe ɛwɔ saa krataa wɔ sɛ ɛne mu nsɛm ne ho na awie yɛ for God and country so wabra Professor Dela Kobla Abochi wɔtena dwom yɛ wɔ ne mpanyinfo twetwe nkɔmɔ no wɔbɔ mmɔden ne yɛwura Samuel Amoa wɔ no ɛna GPRTU ekuo no wɔyɛ trɛfo anaasɛ panyipa yɛ ɔno ɛyɛ nkitahodie bɔfotene ɛde ma wɔnom ɛyɛ Director of Communications ɛdi nkɔmɔ na nsɛm a wɔno so ɛka yɛ no na kyɛ sɛ ɛfo akrata a mpanyinfo ɛde aba no so yɛnkɔ yɛwura Samuel ɛboɔ no ho nsɛm no sei ɛna ɔkasa de fae
Obobili na the Namabe contingent means na a increment the back. The province anytime I say increment the Bano, Yana said, I'm the Taka, the court of the transport ministry here, they are doing common in AGYA. Now we know, Komoya that also for some time now, and then the pressure be a free baby Bano. Now I'm there, a agent, and then my friends will leave, you know, it come back on Tia quickly, no transport can FP. Now, and then also, I'm saying the a new price window at the back of the year, and my young children, by 2%, and we bet the woman and also agree by 6.20%. So, transport minister no afraid that Koshia and Kobodia in our position, the next price window, so on the short crab, the Betamba, it's in Peninfon Kosoania and Capon and Catalonia, but not that proposed incrementa, it be more I get to the other, not yet sharing the next price window, no need we have a kind of release me
Nekasa no wasan ekɔ n'anim biem ɛkyerɛ sɛ wonya abotire ɛkɔ zongwa wonya betepa edi ɛna sɛ wonya abotire nso edwa aboa tate ampempi na no ɛyɛ wo hu na koma baabi pɔte ya na ɛhyɛnte no wɔbɛsrɛ wɔn a wɔka biewom ahyɛnkafoɔ ɛna afei so ahyɛnwuranom ɛne wɔn a wɔka ho ne nyinaa sɛ wɔnhwɛ na wɔnya abotire na wɔntwɛn ɛma mpanyinfoɔ ɛmfa deɛ da no ɛnda nyɛ saa wɔnhwɛ ye na ɔpepere wɔn ho a na wakɔ akɔyɛ ɛnneɛma bi a ɛnsɛ ɛmfata sɛ wɔyɔ
and then I never will use what I did in my driver who has to go by the uncle and I'm pretty sure you are normally that is the middle of and Katana and Dana boom crowd now
Ekita hundie bafotene abedi etre edema Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU no yewura Samuel Amoa na no disem ene twagoye
baby adina du ne de obi ahia time heba mixture eno na beboa pa se wo yesa wo mfro kan no a wo nante antontomori no edura e beboa no no anwumere wo mokutayemu na sankomo ye ayedie no uwram ewo GPRTU adwumakuo no mu a Asukwa Circuit Court 2 ya he ana vaide cha yeboa wotena agwamu no ehona wonwama Hamisu Ibrahim Asante Regional Secretary de ma GPRTU o mama ne ben chia ye che no no na no so wo mo de 50,000 Ghana cedis bon na tu ni tiri so two charities ka ho na ne nyina mu no asam no wo matu ahye ya wo mo se nyame de cha bosumi ayesi mu ne de to so dadu nenum wo mo samra court biu na emu na yewura boache smiler wone nsantrofo kasai bra na kwa me wiredu ene gina ne nchempe ene wo se de esi wo ho pa poten
the Yakupasi, Trading Yakupon. Instead, a back court, a young secretary, Hamis Ibrahim, or Kobo, Pameli Pana, he said, he made me bonny. Now, to me, Chairman, or the Grabasso on Tiapo, and say, Port to get you, or by Yakusia say, Port Amani B, said them, Esitiano, so now to me, you know, Saba. Now, Port to Ashen say, now to me, Biano, on fan one chair police near Uta Assembly, as a Busumi Biano, or Port on hold 2 times. Yet, Yashemra, Yamina dance say, sense to see a bonny no to see no. Amen. Because so say, and we are no me, GPR for Yina, Yamon Paye, Sere Yamea Dumois, or to make you more, or the judgment beba, Yadi, Emrane, Idiachi. Nagaka can say, national officers, GPR2, regional officers, 60 regions, we had the Ecoso Santa Region. And Manslo Baye, 3 years in it, let the Abana say, Yan Yemenqua, influence them, and Nasi and Prem, Yenny them, to me say GPR2 for say, a quorum rawum, Yanshe, Minasam Bia make a Massam Yamena, the Shady Assembly, a code blue. Some messing as more beyond from national, is a Munimranoso, the court to come, the Yatum, Professor Assembly.
Alaji Boache Smiler, and a Ba Bedu, Edin Komoi, Nina, one more secretary. Ya, Sabre, one more so ne penchia. As kwa circuit court 2 asha say what they say no wo mama ne be na mum June 15th once amra no megina daka mu bio
abusia yedru court yi de na yadasoa enyina mu e wo court ho na Bono regional chairman edema the new patriotic party MPP amanyuku eye Owura Kwame Bafo abronye dodo na afra no abronye DC wano na ekasa yi abronye DC se ewiase se de mpanifo akase odonko wu ayese wada ye be kaka odonko yoda we se wawu mu ko na ni asa dan wada wase ebra bia naifo ebe kire no enka ajajefo a sebi mpraduasa wanom eso na asem no kientie na no asem mpo ni enkasa wano asemi ebon once na de akire entini de akwane de me yenditenu kakra wase ya mana me na no mpo na kampesa sebi yatie na no mu nsem se na no mu afukura yehu na nka yi de ama no asem o mo ka kire na ne se se wo mo ye se bia wankasa na se yentie na no nsem a ahwe ya na bia kwakoye nsem bebre na wi akire kura ne yese yenya no wo mo grantee ni bele enye ye bia wokwei okototo mo baba pa keso ebesan so the offense fofora ba enti yafa ni nhemu wane nsamtrofo akasa ni.
The refusal or the grant of bail is at the discretion of the court, but that discretionary powers ought to be exercised in accordance with laid down principles. Looking at the decision of the court, I was very surprised to the extent that a judge will conclude that if I am admitted to bail, I will commit further offenses. I don't know the evidence before him at that time, but even let's assume that there was some evidence before him. He could have afforded me the opportunity to respond, but the judge did not give me that opportunity. And then he remanded me in police custody. And then my lawyers applied for bail application at the High Court, and then the bail was granted. So the business for today was to apply for variation of the bail conditions, and then the matter has been adjourned to tomorrow. So we'll be back tomorrow.
And tomorrow no anyas won koko tomorrow na mom ayadachna ebenada mekrada ena nyankopon ya adom a wasimpanimfo se wo monsan so emra na asem no so enu achi no wo cheche mu nipa ko a na oye koduboni.
We went to the court and informed the judge that I'm back to face the case between myself and the Inspector General of Police, who is the complainant in the case. So the judge is fully aware of my condition and everything, but I think that there's something somewhere. I will not say that the ruling that landed me in BNI custody, I will not say that it's a political ruling. But once you are still fighting to have that decision set aside, I think it's one of the bad decisions in our judicial record. So my lawyers are in the process of trying to make sure that that bad decision will be reversed in the near.
And some unfortunately, one more about a wado, ebeba, open your casa ye, a Bono regional chairman, MPP Amanyuku, Owura Kwame Bafo Abronye DC, and I don't know, and one nation, Pakasi and some truffle, a casa ye.
Yada so won poano nti anwemu a na ye gro MPP amanyoko no wonom epanyi pa ye wo yetiche ni edema bono mantamofuo yewra abronye kwame DC ne nsam no ho enam so ama eye New Patriotic Party amanyoko no wonom ekyerese eye to da bia na se abo bi kwotena wonua so ampacho kwa wo se sori yesuo ton na ngasa sori wonua no se san so mo sori ne so ano na wode nani e ba be kyerɛ wo so ne sa yo so nto mo akyerɛ krata tententen na kratai enu ada ya me bosomi da na etwato no ansa na ebeba no emu dadu anase emu aduonu mienu eda na etoso aduonu mienu May 22nd ena wonom etimi trɛtrɛ krata we se tintimiye na enei ena trɛfo panyin edema amanyoko ne General Secretary Yewra Justin Kodia Frimpong JFK edi domwanim ena wonom ede koma eye panyin ya wono yamamra ho nsɛm ene asoe ya wonom so ehwe emra ho nsɛm aban lawyer panyin Justice Paul Kwadwo Bafoboni wotimi ede koma no na ensɛm a wonom atwerɛ wo nyina ne sɛ wonom ehwe na Circuit Court 9 ye no ewo Accra ha se no no panyi pa ya wono etidwom se piem panyin jaja wotewo Justice Joseph Yanuban Kusun ya de a wokyerɛ sɛ wontu na de so free sa court dan mesan sɛ wonyi ni sɛ wakoso etna ho edi ne dwumedie sɛ ɛyɛ presiding judge a ebetimi abo wo men yamamra ho nsɛm ene kabima menka bi wa bra na krata ne mu nsɛm ɛto so no ɛna wonom ɛkyerɛ sɛ wohwɛ abronye DC ne nsɛm a yɛde yɛ kwadubo ɛbɔ no ya kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Justice Kuson wotena so ya wo twini nkonsa asɛde wo hu so asɛm da no kwadubo bɛ no mode bɔ no sa watete oman no asomdue ho nsɛm ebie mu mpono asɛm a ɛyɛ kontompo sɛm no waka ede atodwa ama amanfo nso bi edi akyire na wɔse asɛm we se we ɛyɛ asɛm ya wo kasa na ye ntimi ntina so nti no mo fa ne kwotwe da bon ponachi mo fa ne nkwa na mo fa ne mra ya wo kyese wo kyena ko mo sa kwotena asɛm we se so wɔse empanyifo hwɛ na won ntimi emutu na se akonyanya sade a wonom emma yewura we se Kuson etimi tena se presiding judge edema eye Circuit Court na ya no ewa Accra ha se no no a wan hwɛ ya kema menka bi no enche enimu enimonyam ya ewo no ebedane ebutu fom na bie mu mponu wan hwɛ nipa emponu wonom nifo ewa asɛm bi ho no yɛde wo koduru ho a baabi ensase yɛde wo koda no ɛhɔ ene yɛde wo kwakoda nti wei ene ensɛm kakra ya MPP amanyoko no ene de ya Yewra JFK ya wo no ɛyɛ General Secretary wadi wonom animu a watintim ɛde agu nkrata so ɛde akwa sofo ya wo no ɛhwe atentren ne ho ensɛm so Justice Paul Bafoboni
yɛto akase no so emra no sɛ obi di so sɛ ɛte a ya na ɛyɛ na wei ɛyɛ Penia weye resident country director Edema International Investments Eura Ibrahim Ajena wo kasa se na no weja dam wo mu bie adehia won sagu ontinya adehi kuma nanso saa bia na nipa tetete no eba emra kwan so a wo mo a emakrata akura ma yeje asase ni yesidan etumi ka kire oprense ho nya ba bia yesidan nanso Ghana for dodo na akotena ho ebi kura kan se emfa ye ho nanso asamba de a na yede kwa akọbọ aban ena Ibrahim Aje se eni kwanse de emra ma kwanse yensi dan wo besie no compensation anase asamato no a yebua no nko no kura yese emamra edi no wo de tie de wo kan
Within every economic transaction, caveat emptor, let the buyer beware. When you bought it from me, is there no QS in Ghana, a quantity surveyor? Is there not a lands administration? Because when you go to then the town and planning, the local government, to get your permits, I want us to always make sure that the Ghanaian is responsible. 2022, one person died, Wager, because of the spillage. The spillage has to happen because the dam's structural integrity is like 45 meters. When we had the rains coming in from the eastern region, the Densu River, we said water will find its way. So now, if the water is 45 meters is the limit, when it gets too much, the whole thing will collapse. And you can imagine what will happen then. So there are 5 gates.
Enti apununum we mienu kura na wonu bie ya de si no esiye Owura Ibrahim Aje wono ene ye penimpa woda international investment ano ewo mayimu
yeremu ewo ngomesuemu suku ano no edi St Paul Technical School ye no ewo achim kukurantumi wamu chiremu se emofra no kosuku aya na areho ya na asefem pa said ye kasa education is the key no education na ye key no wanu de wamu nu baby asafo no kra gira ebeside na mofra no ebekọ suku won bewie won benya credo na campus yenya safo abisi edikosi ani ahini wanu mu kire mu say wamo ade adwumadie bi ehhehye so ewo suku hwan mo no eye third TVET graduation ceremony na adwumadie no ase na principal ye no oda suku no ano eye tai bi tai agwele wano ototo sere aban afei adwumaku ano no eye aban adwumaku a wo mo hwe ngomesua ehonsem so me che GS ana asoye a wo mo so ehwe ngomesua ehonsem so Ministry of Education atoto sere mpanimfo wo se we di ensadansa yem mpanimfo mra na yesuku ne moa esanse wo behwa be aya mofra ne tete ya wanu musua de wanum atwa aya na ahometewo entino owura tai bi tai agwele nensam eni.
The school is now 69 years old. Will be 70 years next year. Actually, we are older than Ghana by 1 month. And up to now, we don't have assembly hall. There is no assembly hall. In fact, the Minister of Education came to our school last year and promised automatic assembly hall. But up to now, we have not seen anything yet. We also don't have a spacious dining hall for our children. There's a lot of congestion, and so if our dining hall can be expanded for us, we'll be so much grateful. We also lack classroom furniture, and so classroom furniture, in fact, both tables and chairs, we don't need model desks because we do technical drawing, so we need table and chairs in our classroom. And then
Sadia suku yi enya mfinhia no aduosia enkono 69 no na chese suku no achapa atete akunyini atetra brempon atete wanu mo madwimo abobe ewo mayim entini St Paul Technical School ya no ewo achem kukurantumi wanu principal tai bitai agole wono ena etoto sere ononyafo ha na drusu ene opani a wono so ochi angomahia no ewo mayim no ese ja wamo emeye suku ne moa esanse TVET no wamo de bia hye suku ne mu a wamo third ceremony kura graduation ceremony and one mu ye ya tai bitai agwele wono so de na adesrede eto mpanifo enemy
Yentu fa so kodre besemo ya wotu ane se mojebon fie ni nkyeremo ewo emfinfin mantemo na amamra ni amane ohuo no ye ntoto na se wo yira ukrom hene aben a empepi na no eya na wo yira ewo dwebo asente no anam sa yo so de wani kyeremo ewo ewutu awobia wonum ewo afosha afia no bia no ya wonum edi na wonum ehuro no afiwe se de no so no eba so ne sa yo sente no empanyefo ahyase wonum editabo no ato eyedede yo so na yamane boni kwaku adema wone ewutu awobia planning committee ya wonoa na woye chairman edema eya afahye ehontotoye ya wosan eye chidom hene ene wahene ewo eye ewutu odwabena nine engineer ampem da kotete etwetwe enkomo yenkonkotie engineer na nane nsemu a wode tudwa no ebimra
ye bandi noise making eye ewutu state towns and villages ninyina over 300 towns and villages a ehyaase efi kasoa ofanko eko awutu loye awutu CP awutu apla awutu bodwoase awutu otopiase awutu okwabena yamwan kwantan so ka ho awutu papase number 1 and 2 eka ho awutu akwele eka ho mankumida eka ho bodwoase aba awutu breku na nkasa aye ahinkro no asorifo eye imamfo eye obi biara a waye wadwen se obeye gathering bi noise making no start on the 2nd of June na yakowie ewo on the 25th of June 3 week amande na amamre mo bia enye bibia ebe say ya amamre yen asafo number 1 and 2 any police Central East Command no omu nim amamre no ni amane se na ewo say ye no
wahine ya wono ekasa ye eye nine engineer ampem da kontete wono ena woye ohipopra ya wote adwaso edema ewutu okwabena adehye na ne kasa no echi no ena wahine ya wono so ewo edema ewutu bentum nine bentum wono so ede kakra eto aso ekoma adehye eno maima
afi eye omanyina konfo eye okonfo ocho odai tutu na nimpenefo owani abre ewo afi hu esanse edumebia na awutu kusum na mamre no aye obumode tofom na samre die na nimpenefo se yema obi aso ni se amamre ho no entutu na ase anti afi enibere ewo anti epese se utuma yedo obi biara no yempese yedi basabasa be si ewo utumemu anti esre se wo ya sorry se moye mox any adibia ye de biara wo machines ya de a ya yusu mo amowo pubs beer bars restaurant and wedding engagement funeral naming ceremony any other program asofo amo preach wo kwan ho mo ye de no yesre mo we di adabraka mbenefo se e mama so de se mo poso na nyame adom what
anodi semia etwegu ye eye wo hene ya wo ewutu bentum na bentum na ensem wese nyina yama ne bofo ya wo no etonkra ewon fifi montem de ma kwakwa de ma na daroma ena yensa ekan ye pepso den do the two adaroma ye nya bitwitwu sia no pa ene enwumre na wose enum nka ene monimonyam no entimi enwiemu do ne sayo sunte no bitwu si wi amepacho eye anu wanom eye time herbal mixture ne bi na watimi ede abo ho ban ede afri hwaye etidi yade ne ho se be ya honam ya no ahotwetwe ena afenso anu moto ne nyina no ebetimi apam no na ebro so de amedimafo eba center Dr. Tamuda so wose pokuase mayira wabone sese kama wo sanso ena kumase eboa kwa government school no ne hwene mu hopɛ no akono de bre ato yade do so tew na watimi ade ho ama bibia so etimi akoye ede amount na 21st clinic nie me patrol omo ya sciatica originator sciatica commandant wo mo NSI healers ni nteno wo to asintiri ye twetwen wo wonamro mo etutu wo wasemintimi nya me ho hwe me nante kakra na mabre me pacho ni nyina no wo kwa akwaja yaresa e wo 21st clinic obetimi from 0540 311311 na wonom agye wo so yenyina asenom na yenye aboafo nkrato ma ye ba ye bekọ amanone.
Brush your teeth every day and night, up and down and all around, brush it clean and bright. Brush your teeth, brush with mom and dad, underneath and in between, brush the germs away.
Pepsodent, cavity protection.
For 10 times stronger.
This advert is FDA approved.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Okre Emma Aketiapa pampa busua ye wiensem ne nyina ewo wo maye we bibima mu abrofo ntimi ankwanko colonize on Ethiopia. Wo mo to abane na Kenya mampani dada Uhuru Kenyatta woka diplomatics na wo mo soma won se wo mo nkonkore so no na wonya fiti ye ko far around so kakra na woni ense ntwerofo na wo mo wo ho no ebedi nkomosi.
Initial thought is the process has started and we will continue to monitor during the course of the day to see the flow and then be back at the end of the day. But so far we can say that the process has started, it is moving, it is flowing, and we hope it continues like that for the rest of the day.
Afe ewie no mampani a won na tiegwa so ya wono so kokoto ababie wokasa no wache se eye pa se abato na duru so na timamufo apie ba beto na edi adanse ye se ballot box na emu edupa eche nka wo mbefa aboba eno achi no wo mo to aba no e de ama wo mo da achi eni nkuninde nti wono se wo to ama no ho to ama ne community ene ne man.
This is one of the steps towards building a very stable and strong Ethiopia. I know we might not fulfill by the standards of other Western countries, but it's one of the steps to the right direction. So I'm very much excited. I know there are so many detractors out there. There's nothing new about it. It has been the case all over the world. But indeed, this is a day that we show to the
Mampane taye Atexet Selassie wono ene ye mampani edema Ethiopia fo wokoto na aba no ne nkoma wodi ye ni eno so ne yegina na anwumre nsem a yede eto awo free atifin ekọ ya kosi na nafo emfimfini ba bia ka ho a ye nkurabata ne nyina edom fa bie na adamfo pa Radio France abrochimamu wono nso fa bi ede so ma de hia wono mo ho eno achi doma 100.7 wo fa bi de madomafo kan e Urban Radio na e live ho www.sompaonline.com iro atabo atachechere de akoto kwa wo chefa ewom obenya bi na wakenkan eno mu ene ye de nsem pi ebre wo a ye kwa amanone no na anwumre akenkanfo ne ye baasan o triple mani agya APAM dada mene sompa women
ABENA BADU ADEPA KWOFIE enafi
OHENEYERE MAAME EKUYA YEBOAH ASIAMAH bronya yesori adwaso ama eyedwumedie enkan na toaso ede amamo
21st clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bi the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert. Twenty-first clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bi the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Are you clapping? Are you giving God the glory? Hallelujah! Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow. Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me kan se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya me kasa me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada no fo. fo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se opeta meba misha enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers ene herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244 417669
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ
FDA agi adwadie nkratoa yi atu
munde dinam se manya foreign call hello papa what the bad to be any o se me feel London eko US o na no kra wo kurukura afa me bo mamania na papa mo ho te sei awurade aduma haboko na ko jeje